Kenya is the mother of SFS. It can be regarded as the mother of SFS. The first center for SFS was established here in Kenya, and it's actually this particular organization, Center for Wildlife Management Studies.
The Kenyan Center is very, very unique. Actually, it's located first and foremost in the shadow of Kilimanjaro, which is actually almost to the border of Tanzania and Kenya, but it is located within the Maasai community. As all of us know, Maasai are a very unique people. They still adhere to their traditional values, and it's because of those traditional values that they have been able to coexist with wildlife for many years.
Being a Maasai, it's really an issue of having that methods or strategies of how to coexist with wildlife.
Class in the field is awesome. A lot of people have touched on this when asked about SFS before, but it really is a great and unique experience to be like sitting in the place where you're talking about, you know.
I wanted to use this experience as a stepping stone for my career, and I really feel like it has done an excellent job because I've had so many opportunities to learn how to be an effective conservationist that emphasizes communities and focuses on combating colonialism and white supremacy in the things that I do. And I really want to make sure that I am doing conservation in an ethical way and not just marching into communities and telling them that what I think is best.
So this is for our future students who are thinking about enrolling for our program or thinking about coming to Kenya and you're scared, you're not sure. So one thing that the center is blessed with is the staff. We have very, very good staff who are always willing to help. I am always here as your part-time mom. We also have a part-time dad on the program, and we are here to help you navigate through the program, so don't be scared. You will always have someone to confide in. You will always have someone to talk to.
The program overall is fantastic. Honestly, what stands out the most when I hear that question is just the staff. It can be really scary traveling abroad, and you know, every place that you go is going to have something fantastic. For here, it's the wildlife. I mean, you just can't find that anywhere else. But I think being as close as we are with the staff, you know, playing volleyball games with them almost every day, playing soccer with them, playing card games, laughing during our end of day presentations, which we call recap. It's just been really fantastic. I felt really supported along the way.
I've always known that I wanted to go into field research, but I've never gotten much of a chance to do it. I got a little bit, but not really. So this, number one, proved to me that that is what I should be doing, but also that I did not have like a very full grasp of what it is I would have to be doing, because I love animals. I'm very, very focused on animals, but when you love them so much, you forget about the people. So being here has taught me that the people are just as important to conservation as the animals.
We design our research such that the information we are going to generate is going to be used to create either awareness on an environmental problem or natural resource problem, or is going to be used to fix or to come up with interventions which are going to rectify or to remedy the problem.
After we have done directed research and students have written their papers, one unique thing that we do here at SFS Center in Kenya is that we invite stakeholders, and these stakeholders also include communities, to come and listen to these findings and engage students in a discussion around their recommendations.
So that way, that information gets not only to the communities in terms of creating awareness of what is happening, but also other stakeholders, including government agencies.
We've gone on, between summer 1 and summer 2, I believe 3 field exercises that entail interviewing the Maasai community. And I've just really enjoyed the human aspect of conservation, getting to know the challenges that this ecosystem poses that you really don't hear about living in the Western world.
There is a very strong interaction between protected areas and wildlife which move out of protected areas into communal lands and into people, that it is not possible to study wildlife without looking at how humans impact wildlife and how wildlife impact human beings. Karibu Kenya kwa shule yetu ya Center for Wildlife Management Studies chini ya mlima wa Kilimanjaro.